Every second, hackers steal money, passwords, and even your identity using cyberattacks. These cyberattacks can impact businesses, hospitals, you name it. Nothing is off limits. Right now, hackers are scanning the internet, looking for their next victim. But what if I told you that you could be next, and you wouldn't even know it? And if you think you're safe, think again. Welcome to the world of cybersecurity, the only thing standing between you and total online disaster. The first thing we need to know is what exactly is cybersecurity? Most people think cybersecurity is just about installing antivirus and calling it a day. But it's more than that, and actually really simple. Cybersecurity is how we protect ourselves online from hackers, viruses, and scams. Your emails, bank accounts, social media, and even your Wi-Fi. And the scary part? Most cyberattacks aren't high-tech, movie-level hacks. They happen because of simple human mistakes. Yes, you heard right. You are the biggest vulnerability. And that's exactly why cybersecurity is important for everyone. Last year alone, over 2.3 billion accounts were hacked. That's more people than the population of China. And yes, most hacks happen because people make simple mistakes like using weak passwords, not enabling MFA, clicking dodgy links, not updating devices, and much more. The problem is that you need to take cybersecurity seriously. Ask anyone who has been hacked. It's not fun, and it can be costly. Once hackers break in, they can steal your money, ruin your credit, or even pretend to be you. So how do they do it? Hackers have three main methods to break in and get access. 1. They scan for weak passwords. Hackers have a database full of known weak passwords that they use to quickly get access to accounts. So if you're still using a weak password, congratulations. You're probably on their hit list. If you struggle with complex passwords like most of us, consider using a password manager not only to create strong passwords, but also store them securely. 2. Have you ever received an email that needs you to click a link, open an attachment, or respond urgently? It probably looked legit, but it's actually from a hacker trying to steal your info. 3. Outdated devices. Those annoying updates that you keep ignoring usually contain security fixes for vulnerabilities being exploited by hackers. These are just a few of the common methods used, but trust me, there are loads more. If need be, a hacker will sit for weeks, months, or even years trying to get access to a system. So what is it that they're hiding and that they don't want you to know about cybersecurity? The first thing the hackers don't want you to know is that they prefer easy targets. Sure, they can figure out how to break into systems or compromise your account in many different ways, but they would prefer getting access by following the path of least resistance wherever possible. Think about it. If you needed to get somewhere, would you take the route that had several traffic lights and adds an additional 20 kilometers to your journey? Or would you take the straightforward route and save yourself the hassle? Just because you can do it doesn't mean you want to do it. And that's the same for hackers. The second thing hackers don't want you to know about cybersecurity is that it's really easy to reduce your chances of being their next target. Start with these easy steps. 1. Update everything. Outdated software is a hacker's best friend, so don't skip those updates. 2. Use strong, complex passwords for all your accounts and enable MFA. Stop using weak passwords. It's like an invitation for them to take over your account. 3. Phishing is real, so stop clicking random links, opening attachments, or downloading dodgy apps. You need to verify first. Be skeptical and question everything. If it seems good to be true, then it probably is. 4. Back up your data. Prepare for the worst, because when all else fails, your backup will ensure that you haven't lost all your important info, like your best friend's birthday. 5. Encourage those around you to be cyber safe. Share what you know and help them to protect their accounts and devices. Congrats! You now know more about cybersecurity than 90% of people. But there's one more thing you need to see. Click here to find out how you can think like a hacker. Now smash that like button and hit subscribe for more ways to stay safe online.